Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong September 4. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ang secret ng Diyos. Now this relates to the topic of secret will, na kung saan ang ating pong Panginoon ay mayroong secret will. Ibig sabihin po nito, mayroong kaalaman ng Panginoon na hindi natin malalaman. Well, this is only logical because God has so much knowledge, so much wisdom, that in comparison to ours, we are so little. Kumbaga yung wisdom natin, kapag ating ikukumpara sa wisdom ng Panginoon, kahit speck of dust, hindi pa tayo ganun, no? Kumbaga, napaka-insignificant ng ating kaalaman na kapag sinubukan nating alamin at maintindihan lahat ng alam ng Panginoon is hindi natin to kaya. And in fact, laging po natin tatandaan, ang Panginoon natin ay makapangyarihan. Natural lamang na meron siyang mga sikretong hindi dapat nating malaman. Natural lamang na meron siyang mga sikretong hindi natin kayang malaman. For He is God. So, sabi nga po sa Deuteronomy chapter 29 verse 29, "The secret things belong to the Lord our God, but the things revealed belong to us and to our children forever, that we may follow all the words of this law." So, sinasabi po natin na God has secrets na para sa Kanya lamang. Ngunit, meron siyang nireveal sa atin. Ito yung mga kaalaman na maaari nating pagnilay-nilayan upang masundan natin yung laws ng mundo na kung saan tayo create ng Panginoon. Kumbaga, everything that we need to know has been already revealed by God. And we should remember that some secrets are hidden forever. Some secrets will never be able to uncover because that is God. That is His will, and we have nothing to do with that. But there are also some secrets that are yet to be revealed. Ibig sabihin po nito, maaaring may mga kaalaman na hindi pa alam ng tao, ngunit sa kalaunan ay marireveal ito sa atin. And that is also part of God's will. Kung mamarapatin niya na malaman natin yung isang bagay, then we will know. We will surely know. So, some secret are also revealed to God's people and hidden to others. May mga pagkakataon po kasing si God, ini-inform niya yung kanyang mga tao, yung mga kaya niyang gamitin as instrument in order to expand His kingdom. And those are the secrets that are revealed to God's people. And hindi yun malalaman ng mga taong malayo sa Kanya. For He does not allow them to know. And that is the three things, no, that we should always remember when it comes to the secret will of God. Unang-una, there will always be secrets that will be hidden forever, never uncovered. And there are also some secrets that are possible to recover and actually will recover, but not for now. And there are secrets that have already been revealed to some people that are God's people. So, we should stop seeking answers when there are no answers. Maaring may mga pagkakataon na kapag yung curiosity natin sumusobra na, to the point na yung ating mga tinatanong ay redundant sa ating way of life. What should we do instead? We should submit our future to God with full trust, even without knowing anything or without knowing everything, because we cannot know everything. That is the truth, no? Instead, share the secrets of the kingdom with hearts that are ready to listen and believe those secrets that you already know. Maaring hindi mo malalaman lahat ng impormasyon sa mundo. Hindi mo malalaman lahat ng impormasyon na alam ng Panginoon. Pero yung mga impormasyon na alam mo na makakatulong sa kanila, sa ating mga kapwa, upang mapalapit sila sa Panginoon, yun yung dapat nating pagnilay-nilayan, mas lalong intindihin, at isabahagi. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.